The largest Laravel event of the year is coming back. Laracon US, August 27th and 28th, 2024, to Dallas, Texas. If you've never been to a Laracon, you should get tickets and you should go. If you use Laravel at all, you should go. Laracon, I've been to all of them. They're so much fun. You get to meet, all your peers. You get to meet all the speakers. They always give plenty of downtime, so there's lots of time to talk and mingle and just kind of wander around talking to people. With your ticket price, you get lunch, snacks, drinks. It's just a really fun, immersive event. One of the cool things, too, about Laracon is they always pick venues that are in downtown in the heart of cities. Not just some sort of airport hotel where you fly in, you go a block, you stay in this hotel for 2 days, the conference is at that hotel, and then you fly out and you leave and you're like, oh, well, I went to Dallas, Texas, but I was just basically at the airport and I never actually seen the city. So Laracon always does it the opposite. They put the venue downtown and you go in and, everything's within walking distance. Super nice, super fun. And this one's going to be no different. This one's in some neighborhood called the Ellum. I've never been, but, just researching online, it's a cool little arts and music district in part of Dallas, Texas. Speakers, there will be many, but right now, so far confirmed is Taylor Otwell, Caleb Porzio, Nuno Maduro, and somebody I'm not familiar with called Primeagen. I'm not really sure how to say their name. But head to Laracon US, join the waitlist, and from that waitlist, they'll announce when tickets are on sale. Usually they sell out, so you get on the waitlist, they'll email you. You can go buy them at that point. The other thing, like if you want to speak at Laracon, you can go to Laracon US and go ahead and submit your talk idea and see if you get approved. So, like I said, it's going to be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing you there.